So I just want to do a little test of kind of a prototype or a experiment to see if I could do a water takeoff and landing with one of my wings. So I've just for this test, obviously there's no water here, I've just attached some floats to the bottom just with some hot glue. I know that's not going to be the final solution, but I just want to see if it'll fly like this as a first step. Now I've put a 1300 milliamp hour battery, which is smaller than what I would usually use on this wing. Just because of the extra weight with the floats, I don't know what it's going to fly like. So let's try it out. Actually floats quite nicely. That's a low speed right there. Now that's flying very tail heavy right now, so it's a little difficult to control. You can see it's coming in nose in the sky. Maybe you can't see it because it's kind of dark out. Let's just see if we can bring it in like this for a landing. These things on it. Well, not the greatest landing I've ever had, and I think the battery popped off, which would have popped off in the water, which wouldn't have been the best situation I've ever had. But it did fly. So I attached the battery to it a little bit better. I could probably fly that around and probably be able to take off out of the water. Now I'm going to throw the even heavier weight on there. I'm going to throw the 2200 battery on it and just see if I can still fly it around with that. Like I said, this is just a little proof of concept. I wish I had a little area to try an actual takeoff and see how it would work. Why don't we try this like that. Attach her up. Definitely going to be harder to throw up in the air. I'm quite surprised at how little difference those 3 floats on it make. It's pretty dark out for me to be wearing these sunglasses. So I'm just going to bring it in. Pretty much the end of the test anyway. Oh! Well, that wasn't quite the touch and go I was hoping for. Anyway, I knew that those wouldn't stick. I just had a couple dabs of hot glue. I was just really testing the weight. If I really do put something like that on, I won't be using hot glue. I'll be just undo the battery. I'll be stripping the packing tape and be using Gorilla Glue. But as far as a proof of concept goes, I think it's a possibility.